In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 using USB, step by step, in a way that's easy to follow even if you've never done this before. First, you'll need a working computer and a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. Make sure there's nothing important on the USB because it will be erased during this process. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft Software Download. Click on the official Microsoft result and look for the Windows 10 option. Once you're on the Windows 10 page, find the button that says Download Tool Now and click it. When the file finishes downloading, open it and approve any permission prompts that appear. After the tool opens, accept the license terms. When asked what you want to do, choose the option to create installation media for another PC, then click Next. Select your language, Windows 10 edition, and system type. If you're unsure, the recommended options usually work fine. Next, choose USB flash drive as the media type and click Next. Insert your USB drive if it's not already plugged in, select it from the list, and continue. The tool will now download Windows 10 and turn your USB into a bootable installer. This can take some time, so just let it finish. Once the USB is ready, plug it into the computer where you want to install Windows 10. Restart that computer and open the boot menu by pressing a key like F2, F10, F12, Delete, or Escape as it starts up. Select the USB drive as the boot device. When the Windows setup screen appears, choose your language, time, and keyboard settings, then click Next. Click Install Now. If you're asked for a product key, you can enter it or skip this step and activate later. Select the Windows 10 edition you want, accept the license terms, and choose Custom Installation. Select the unallocated space on your drive and click Next. Windows will begin installing and your computer will restart several times. Do not remove the USB drive until the installation is fully complete. After setup finishes, follow the on-screen instructions and soon you'll see your Windows desktop. And that's how you install Windows 10 using USB. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.